Hi, this is Chuck at Gamma Pickleball. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Atomic 2.0. This paddle has a built-in bumper system in the edge, and that gives you 30% more hitting area. The surface of this paddle is made of fiberglass, but it's a textured fiberglass to give you more ball bite and spin. We have the unibody handle. That is a handle that is built into the paddle to give you a longer, more durable paddle life. We have the honeycomb grip here. This grip here allows for a more comfortable and secure feel. At Gamma Pickleball, we keep innovating so you never stop playing.
The ONIX Z5 pickleball paddle is the flagship paddle in the ONIX lineup and is one of the most popular paddles in the world. The wide body shape gives players an 8.5-inch wide hitting surface with a generous sweet spot. The Nomex core balances power with excellent control, especially for dinks right at the net. Both graphite and composite options are available, which weigh in at 7.8 to 8.7 ounces. The Z5 also features a 4.25-inch grip with a 5-inch handle. With the control and touch that you get off this paddle, it's no wonder why it's one of the most popular paddles in the game today.
The Amazin Aces wood pickleball paddle set includes 4 paddles and 4 outdoor use pickleballs. Everything your family needs to get started at a local court. Its cushioned grip with wrist strap helps keep you playing longer. The paddles are constructed of durable 7-ply maple wood. The 4 wood paddle set is a great paddle for beginners of all ages. Amazin Aces can help you get introduced to an amazing sport without breaking the bank. Try one today.
As one of the most popular paddles in the market, the niupipo pickleball paddle is the best choice for beginners to intermediate players. You can experience a perfect balance in great control and power due to its professional honeycomb core paddle design. The specially designed 4.5 size ergonomic grip for each paddle would make you comfortable and easy to hold. Moreover, the carbon graphite tapered edge enhances the elasticity of the racket surface and maximizes the balance for each shot. With the desired stiffness and surprisingly lightweight, niupipo pickleball paddle will make you enjoy the time on the field.